Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are here in Lambog Beach, Bajan.
Amazing!
And we're going to celebrate Roxy's birthday. Hi Roxy!
Hi!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me!
Gabi na kami dumating dito, and tomorrow, mamaya, we're going to the beach guys. See you later guys for our beach swimming. So see you later guys.
A few moments later.
This is my view here guys. 4 hours yung biyahe dito guys from Cebu City. Super worth it naman. Ngayon lang ako nakabalik dito. Last kami pumunta dito guys is way back 2018, di ba? Tagal na nun. So ngayon na ako nakabalik dito guys. I need some unwind. Unwind. Also, nagsa-celebrate din kami ng birthday ng friend ko, Roxy, kasi alam niyo naman, basta birthday niya, gusto niya ng beach. Naka-selfie siya doon. And wala palang entrance fee dito guys, kasi public beach siya. Ang babayaran niyo na lang is yung accommodation para komportable naman yung tulog. Actually, marami mag-depend dito pag Holy Week. Ganda din dito guys. See you later guys. I'm going to update you kung anong ganap namin later.
Happy birthday to...
Happy birthday! Oh my God, grabe guys ang hangin dito. Nandito na tayo sa Lambog Beach. Oh my God, I miss this!
Amazing.
Yeah. Guys, andito kami sa labas, nag-chill.
Hi!
So we're having GSM Blue here. Kasi uuwi na kami bukas.
Happy birthday to us.
To us!
To me and to us.